Did you know there is a natural herbal tea you can make at home instead of your regular Lipton tea? Today, I will show you how to prepare Justicia carnea, popularly known in Nigeria as the blood of Jesus leaf. In Yoruba, it is called Ewe-eje. In Igbo language, it's called ogwu-obara. It turns ordinary water into a beautiful deep red tea in just a few minutes. And you can easily buy these fresh leaves from vegetable sellers in your local market. Let's get started. The first thing to do is wash the fresh leaves thoroughly under clean running water to remove any dirt or sand. Once the leaves are clean, transfer them into a pot. Pour clean water into the pot until the leaves are well covered. Place the pot on the stove and bring it to a boil. As the water begins to boil, you will notice something amazing. The water gradually changes from clear to a rich deep red color. Allow the leaves to continue boiling for about 5 minutes so they can release more of their natural color and flavor into the water. After that, turn off the heat and allow the tea to cool for a few minutes. Many people in Nigeria traditionally enjoy Justicia carnea tea as part of their wellness routine. If you are looking for the leaves, you can easily buy them from vegetable sellers in your local market. Simply ask them for Justicia carnea or the blood of Jesus leaf or Ewe-eje or ogwu-obara, depending on what it is called in your area. Please, if you have watched this far, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support truly means a lot to me. Thank you. Strain the tea into a cup or container. You can enjoy it just the way it is, or add powdered milk or fresh milk if you prefer. If you like a little sweetness, you can also add a spoonful of honey. Personally, I enjoyed it without sugar because it already has a pleasant taste. I only used milk. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more healthy drinks, Nigerian recipes, and easy home cooking ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.